how to see total views on your TikTok account. So if you want to see total views in your TikTok account, then first open up your TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, you will have your videos, right? So if you want to see the total views on your TikTok video, then here on the bottom left side of that video, you will have the view count. So if you want to simply have the total views on your particular video, then you will have it on the bottom left side of your video. You will have the total views of that particular video. But if you want to see the total views on your whole TikTok account, then what you can do is simply go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon, and here you can choose business suite option. But if you don't have the business suite, then you just need to switch your account to a business account. So go for settings and privacy. Here you just need to go for the account option, which is on the first, and under account you need to go and switch to a business account. So tap on switch to a business account and tap on next. Again tap on next, and you can choose a category. Tap on next, and you can add your email, or you can skip this part. So you can simply switch your account to a business account and then tap on visit business suite, and here you will have your analytics. Tap on that, and here you will have all of your video views. So for now I have just switched to a business account, so I don't have any video views till now. So once you switch your account to a business account, now just wait for 1 or 2 days and you will have the business analytics of that 1 or 2 days. And here you can go for the upper right side, and then you can filter by date. You can choose 8 weeks or last 12 weeks. Once you choose, you will have this overview of your TikTok total views. So here I have the video views by 20, and you can also see the most popular video of yours. You will have all of the related analytics of your total views under this. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.